Hey millionaires, welcome back to the channel. I was going to say future millionaires, but I am already declaring prosperity in all of your lives. If this is your first time stopping by, my name is Sergio Briones, and this channel is about personal finance, brick and mortar business, and about investing in real estate. Please subscribe to the channel if these are topics that interest you. It won't cost you anything. Today's January 29th, 2023. We went to church this morning, and afterwards we went to eat with my sister who owns 2 clothing boutiques here in Laredo. She is doing quite well. I told her to get ready because I wanted to sit down with her and my brother-in-law and interview them so you guys can learn about their business. So today I am going to talk about how I budget for my convenience store's income and expenses. To be honest, I don't use anything fancy. I use a simple spreadsheet to make sure that I am staying within budget. This Excel spreadsheet allows me to give promotions and raises, lets me know how healthy the business is operating, and what my total compensation looks like. I don't modify this Excel spreadsheet on a monthly basis. I only modify it when there's a big change. For example, if we hire an additional employee, our monthly sales increase or decrease drastically, or if anything major changes. As you can see from the spreadsheet, we pay ourselves $2,000 per week every Friday. I have an automatic transfer from my convenience store business accounts to my personal checking. Online too, you can see that we pay a monthly rent of $2,400 to our real estate business, even though we have a mortgage on it. How we handle this is that our real estate company owns the building, and In-N-Out Groceries is basically the tenant. Our real estate company then pays our mortgage payment to the lender. The next 7 lines are our employee expenses. As you can see from the wages, most of them are part-time. We dedicate about $150,000 per year for this expense. The next item is the light bill. I usually put down the average of the last 12 months. You can't go wrong by doing this. We pay an average of $1,000 per month for our light bill. Another expense is our building and liability insurance. We pay $5,247 per year. This is very important since the building can burn down or someone can get seriously hurt in your property and you can be sued. Unfortunately, this already happened to us, but that's a topic for another video. Spectrum bill, which is our internet, phone, and cable combo, comes out to $225 per month. Our water bill averages about $150 per month. I actually have a tenant outside my convenience store, the small restaurant I rented out. She pays for her own electricity and I give her the water. So that $150 is a little bit of the water that she uses, but I pay for it. The next 2 expenses are advertising we do for our convenience store. We pay $40 per week to a radio station, and they run a commercial of our specials Monday through Friday for 2 hours. We also pay a restaurant with 2 locations $100 per month. They filmed a commercial of our store and play it in their restaurants every day. Advertising is very important, especially since we are inside a neighborhood and we don't have much traffic. Last but not least, the 2 items left are security alarm, which is $27 per month, and a $25 monthly fee. I am sure some of you noticed I did not reserve any money for maintenance or repairs. The reason is because they are not recurring expenses and we have enough money left over to cover them. So moving on to our income side of the spectrum. Our current gross sales are about $16,500 per week, or about $71,500 per month, with an average profit of about 35% across the board, we are averaging close to $6,000 per week or about $25,000 per month in gross profits. For money transfers, we are averaging about $6,000 per month and about $3,000 per month in check cashing fees. The last item on the list is the lottery tickets. This includes scratch tickets and lottery tickets. We only get a 5% profits of this sales, so we average about $1,000 per month in pure profits. The total weekly gross profits is about $8,000 per week or about $35,000 per month. On the last line, I subtract the total expenses from the total gross profits. We net about $300 per day, which doesn't sound like much, about $2,000 per week, $9,000 per month, or about $110,000 per year. Those $300 per day definitely add up. As you saw earlier in the video, we are already paying ourselves $104,000 per year as a salary. This additional $110,000 can be used to grow the business by buying more equipment, adding additional inventory or employees, increasing our advertising, or paying it to ourselves in monthly or quarterly dividends. I hope you guys have a better understanding on how I run the business. Let me know if you guys want me to make a video on how I run the store remote via WhatsApp and a video on how my cashiers balance their registers at the end of the day. We finally crossed the 500 subscriber count. I am so thankful because I feel that I can help so many people get a hold of their finances and hopefully cross that $1 million net worth mark one day. Give me a like if you liked the video and don't forget to subscribe for more. Almost forgetting, comment below if you would like me to interview my sister and her boutique business. God bless.